Alright, these are the elevators at the Grand Hyatt Hotel, Tower A in Fantech City. This used to be an old office building, and that's why we have Otis Lexan elevators here. And that's also why the elevators are very small. They only lift up to 2,000 pounds. We get inside, you have the original Otis Lexan fixtures. No express zone on these elevators. These elevators serve all the floors from lobby to 48. So without further ado, let's go up to 48. Door close button does not work. Alright, the door is closing now. Here we go. These are very fast elevators, though. Here at 48. Let's go back down to the lobby. That is a lot of buttons. The Tower B elevators were modernized, but these are still original. No disappearing floor indicator, just your typical indicator. Here we're back at the lobby, and that's it.